Okay, everybody, this is going to be probably a quick video. This is basically mostly for touring owners, but anybody who shows some interest. We're going to be doing a quick update of the GPS system, assuming there is an update. All this information can be found in your update information manual. You're going to need a 16 gig thumb drive. You're going to have to install it first before you start the car, which I already have. And then you got to follow the instructions. Plug in your USB before you start the car. Wow. Refer to download instructions. Yes. On the navigation application, which I don't think is where we're at. We'll go to navigation. Go to settings, map and vehicle, update maps. Okay. Well, we're going to be doing this on the fly, so I'm going to look like a total doof. Try that. There we go. There's your settings. I think that's where they want us to go. So we'll go to settings, map and vehicle, map updates. That's down here on the bottom. Hopefully all this is showing. It looks like it is. I don't know how well it's going to record. Hopefully it's in focus. That's a big problem. Now, this is the first step, because before you even go down and download the file, you got to do it here. So we're going to hit our map updates here. Start update, select start update process, initiate or continue map update process. So we're going to start update process. And it's going to write to the USB thumb drive that I installed. It has to be 16 gigs. Didn't know that before I bought them. Happily, I bought 16 gig ones. So I guess basically this is just writing basic information to let you know. So that was very quick. Took nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to pause it. And we're going to go on to the next step. Well, hello guys, we're back again. This is going to be mostly for the touring owners or anyone with the navigation built in, but others of you might find this interesting. I'm going to put some other videos up if I can today. I've been trying to do a few things. We're going to talk about how to update the navigation system in the car. It's basically in all your instructions, but it's nice to see how it's done. You're basically going to a site first called HondaNavi.navigation.com. When you get there, you're going to get this right here. You're going to look, you're going to choose your insight down here. Once you choose the insight, it's going to bring up years. You got 2019. The nice thing is you get 5 years of complimentary map updates, something that Ford doesn't seem to want to do with my $35,000 Ford Fusion Energy. Not cool. But, I digress. So, at this point, you're going to have to click here to continue. It's going to take you to Garmin. We're going to find out whether, the Garmin, what you need to do with Garmin. Honda navigation updates. You choose what year. It's going to be 2019, of course, since that's what we're talking about. And it's an Insight because it's an awesome car. This will give you download instructions, which I have printed. I've already been in the car and updated the thumb drive. I will stitch that together with this to show you. You have to have a 16 gig thumb drive. I also recommend you print this stuff out. Print these instructions out. Pretty simple. And you have to download a program called Garmin Express, which if you look over here, I have already downloaded. That's awesome. Now, I've never done this, so we don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know if I'll brick my my Insight. I don't know if there are any updates available. And if there are no updates available, this is going to be a bust. Although I do have a video of me getting all pissed off while trying to videotape something. So I think I'm going to upload that so you can see what it looks like when Bigfoot gets angry. All right, so here we go. We've downloaded Garmin Express. I've already updated this. So what I'm going to do is launch the Garmin Express program, plug your USB drive into your computer, follow prompts on the Garmin Express. So I'm launching Garmin Express. Don't even know if it's going to run right. Don't even know if it's going to run at all. Are you going to run or what? There we go. Garmin Express. Isn't that incredible? I'm so awesome. Unfortunately, my system's a little old. It's a it's a first generation Core i7. It's a Core i7 920. Nice little processor. So, welcome to Garmin Express. To get started, choose or add a device. Learn how to use Express. I have no idea what I'm doing here. I should have done this before I start, but I'm still going to stick my thumb drive in there, and we're going to find out what's going to happen. Yay, my thumb drive's in there. There we go. The reason it found the Honda Accord with a serial number is because before I did this, before I did this, I did the first step. The first step is listed in the listings here as plug your USB drive into your vehicle before you start it. Then you're going to go into your settings, map and vehicle, and update maps, and that's going to set up the thumb drive so it recognizes everything. So that's what it's doing right now. It did all that. I did that ahead of time. I'm going to stitch at the beginning of this video. And then I brought you to this point, and then I plugged in this thumb drive, and boom, Garmin Express automatically noticed it. So at least this part's gone right, because I'm not very good at this. So we're going to add that device. Yay! Oh gosh, registration. Oh no. Simply provide your email address. Registration is optional. You can always register later if you decide, all right, we're going to skip this because I don't want to give you guys my email, because you guys, I know you're going to bomb me with all these questions, and then I'm going to have to pass you on to people who are much smarter than me. Well, not many of them are much smarter, but yeah, whatever. All right, map update notification. All right, now I'm going to skip this. Add a nickname, Honda Accord. No, I'm going to put the name of my baby. It's going to be Ruby. That's my nickname. Next. I'm going to check and see if there are any updates. Now watch, there's going to be no updates, and this entire video is going to be a bust. But I have a feeling this is old 2017, and from what I've heard, there is a newer update for this. Alright, estimated install time, 3 hours. Oh my god, it better not take 3 hours to install, because I don't have enough gas in the freaking car to do that. So, install. That might take a few minutes. You need an SD or USB drive formatted with your vehicle's information. After the download is finished, you must unplug your SD, take it to your vehicle, and install the updates manually. Okay, continue. We actually have a reasonable internet connection. This may take a few minutes. Time remaining. Are you kidding me? Is it really going to go this slow? 3 hours and 4. That better go down faster. Guys, I'm probably going to be editing this video quite a bit, because this is baloney. 2 megabytes a second is ridiculous. I guess this is what happens when you connect it through a when you run it through a program. But this is ridiculous. 3 hours and 7 minutes. They are out of their freaking minds. Well, you know, you're in for the long term. I hope it doesn't take this long to install it. Apparently this is a big install. So, at this point, we're going to stop this video, and I'm going to turn it back on when the thing is done. In the meantime, I'm going to go chill and have some fun. Maybe I'll make a different video in the meantime while this stupid thing takes forever to do this. Yeah, I think I'm going to start doing the other video I was going to do. At least part of it. I tried filming some of it before, and, well, it went to crap. So, we're going to try it again. Alright, we're going to pause this. We're going to get back here. I'm not going to make you sit 3 hours. You guys have enough trouble watching my 20-minute videos without you petering out at 6 minutes, so I don't think you guys are going to wait 3 hours. So, we're going to go ahead and stop this video at this point, and we're going to continue later. Okay, the file finally downloaded, and now we're back in the Honda. I installed the thumb drive, and I started the system. So, next, it's time to install. I'm probably going to have to edit this part out, too, because it's probably going to take forever to do. So, let's find out if this thing even works. Took a while to download, dudes. It really sucked. So we'll go down here. Oh, map and vehicles, duh. See? Map updates. Start update process. That's going to search that thumb drive, and now we're going to see if this is going to take forever, and whether I'll run out of gas sitting here waiting for it to load. Not such a difficult process, as in it took a long time to download the file, about an hour, hour and a half, for it to set the thumb drive properly. It can take a long time, and you cannot use navigation feature during this process. Do not turn off your vehicle or remove the USB storage device until the update process is complete. Select the install to begin with. Current map, and that's 2017, 10/2017, and ready to install is 2019-11. So we are going to install, and all right, that's a weird response. And heaven help us, this is probably going to take us a long time. I am curious whether we can drive or not, and I'm a little nervous about even testing that. It says it can take a long time to install. I wonder what a long time really means. It probably means do not remove the USB, do not turn off your vehicle, and let's see how it does. I have a feeling this is actually going to take quite a long time. So first, let's do a couple of percentages, and we'll go from there and see how that ends up looking. But this is basically what it's going to look like when you update your Garmin. Of course, this is not going to really mean much to any of you guys who are using the EX or the LX models. Of course, the EX models, you can use your, well, I can too, but you can use Waze and other forms of GPS which will work just fine. No need to, really make things any rougher for yourselves. But we're going to go ahead and leave this puppy running. And, wow, it's still 0% complete. I am not impressed. So we're going to pause this or stop it, and then I'm going to edit it together and put it all together again. And we're going to get back to it when it's installed, and I'll let you know how it looks when it completes. I will talk to you later. This is Verdier signing out. Well, it only took about 20 minutes to update. Not as bad as I thought. Update successful. Remove the USB storage device. Done. And hit the restart button. And I will find out if everything's going to explode or not. Yay. I guess it's a step in the right direction. So updates are really not horrendously difficult. I don't know how much information is lost. I probably have to reload everything. And yeah, this map is sucky. I don't know what the hell it's showing me now, but it's not showing me anything. There we go. Got to locate all the satellites and make everybody happy. So it's taking forever to figure out who I am, and where I'm going to. Well, that's the update. It's really a relatively simple process. You get 5 years worth of updates, so you can figure about 4 or 5 updates, and you'll be all set. Definitely something you do want to keep updated if you can. You're going to need 16 gig thumb drive and about an hour and a half of time on your computer, an hour on your computer. You don't have to be there. We're just, most of it's download time, and about 20-25 minutes of your car running to download it. But it seems to have gone in just fine. Take a look at some of these things, see if we have to reset any of the settings. Traffic, where am I? Let's go to the settings. Map and vehicle. 3D view, default USA, select map features, map layers. Actually, that's what I'm going to do. Eventually, I think what we're going to do next is I'm going to do a quick video on all the features of this. However, doesn't look like this wants to focus very well. I don't know why. I do a zoom, but this phone doesn't seem to want to focus very well on the screen. It kind of comes up a little fuzzy. Well, that's it for the update. Pretty simple. I think I'll do a demo. I think I'll do a video on the entire GPS system, give an idea what it looks like and how it runs in the car. Although aiming here in the car has become a bit difficult, mostly due to lighting issues. I don't know, exposure issues and crap like that. I don't understand how any of it works. But that's it. All set, all done, and it kicks ass. Take care, guys.